Students, as we have completed the reading A of Unit 5, today we are going to start the reading B, Grabbing Everything on the Land. This poem was written by Lily Usher. In this poem, we are going to see how the waves, tsunamis, the natural calamities are going to damage the environment. Everyone knows tsunami is the most dangerous natural calamity that man has ever seen. So, our poet compared tsunami to a great hand in his poem. The poem depicts the severe destructive power of tsunami and the damage caused by it. Now, come on, let's look here. There came a wave like a great hand, grabbing everything on the land, its fingers of foam circling round, uprooting trees, smashing homes to the ground. Now, how did it come? A wave. How it is? Like a great hand. So, a wave is compared here to a great hand, grabbing. Taking with a hand suddenly or roughly, what it is taking? Everything on the land. Its fingers of foam. See how he is describing? The fingers of foam circling round, moving round, uprooting, pulling out the trees. Where the trees will be? In the ground. So pulling out of the ground, smashing, hitting very hard. What it is hitting? The houses to the ground. It aimed its fist at everything inside. Nothing could survive this dreadful might. People ran in and out in time with the tide. Nowhere to go and nowhere to hide. It aimed its fist. So it is ready to damage everything inside. Nothing could survive. Nothing can continue to live despite a dangerous event. The dreadful. What do you mean by dreadful, mate? It is a phrasal noun which talks about terrible power. People ran in and out. All the people are moving to save their life with the tide, but nowhere to go. Where to go? A tsunami comes very quickly. So nowhere to go and nowhere to hide at any place. The hand was born in the belly of the ocean, fed by plates creating the potion. It grew in fury, it grew in power, the anger to be unleashed within the hour. We can say that. Where did it come from? It was born in the belly of the ocean. See how wonderful the poet is explaining. Fed by plates creating the potion. Fed by plates means pushed by the movement of rocks in the earth. Whereas potion, water coming with a great force or strength. How it come? It grew in fury. The power, nobody can stop the power of tsunami because it was in an anger to be unleashed. The anger it want to let loose within the hour. No one knew what was on the way. People were working, children at play. A shriek of surprise as somebody saw a huge wall of white horses galloping ashore. The beast dissolved under the heat, sweeping hundreds of thousands of their feet. And no one do not know what is happening. What is coming on the way? Because people are working, children are playing. A sudden loud shout of surprise is called as shriek as somebody saw that. A huge wall of white horses. White horses referring here waves in the sea or ocean with white tops on them. So here it compared to white horses galloping, increasing or spreading rapidly. Ashore, the beasts, big animals dissolved under the heat. It mixed in water and disappeared. Here heat refers to not the hot, it refers to pressure. Sweeping hundreds of thousands. It is moving all, not only hundreds, but thousands of their feet. There was crashing and crunching and tearing apart, seeping its way into everyone's heart. Lives were lost, bodies found, brutally killed by a hungry hound. When the punch came with the force of an army, the few that survived understood the meaning of tsunami. There was a crashing. Crashing refers to hitting hard, making a noise, and crunching, crushing noisily, tearing, destroying something completely. And what do you mean by seeping? Flowing slowly. The power gradually decreases its way into everyone's heart, flowing slowly. Now the power, the strongness is not there. Slowly it is decreasing. But finally what happened? Lives were lost. We can find only the bodies. Brutally, badly killed. Imagining that it is a hungry hound. When the punch, a hard hit made with the fist is called punch, came with the force of an army. Why here army is used? Because a group of hounds compared to the waves of tsunami. And finally that few survived, understood the meaning of tsunami. Now what is called tsunami is known to the people. So this is our poem. Turn your page. Here are the glossary which are very important. See, go through all the glossary meanings, and the question and answers are given to you in material. You can observe them. So once go through the entire poem. In the next class, we will complete the ham radio. It is our reading C. Thank you. Have a nice day.